Setting up client-facing job statuses. Client-facing job statuses allow you to provide real-time updates on job progress directly through the client portal and mobile app. You can see the client-facing status section in any job settings. To start showing job status to clients, simply turn on the Show in Client Portal toggle. The entire section will open. Select one of the pre-made statuses. The status description will be pre-filled, but you can tweak it to fit your preferences in this particular case. Also, if you want to show your clients a particular service name and make it look better, you can enter the job name. For this example, I'll use different names for me and the client. At the end of the video, we will see how it looks. If you want to add another status that is not there, click the New Status button and select a color, name, and description. Later on, you will be able to reuse the status you created. When everything in your job is as you want it, press the Add button. Since this feature was not included on the platform's original release, maybe you already have many jobs where this was not activated initially. TaxDome allows you to assign statuses to the existing jobs in bulk. To do that, go to the Workflow section and Jobs. Here, select the jobs you want to add this to. Click Edit, go to the Client-Facing Status section, select Show Status and your desired settings. Click Save, and you are done. You can also hide the status using the same method. Now, let's go to the pipeline settings where this job will occur. You can add automations to change the status to another one or hide it when the job is moved to the next stage. You will see a video devoted just to this later in the course, so don't worry about it for now. You can see that it works on the Kanban view of that pipeline. Let's drag this job to a new phase and notice how the status changes. Now let's go to the client's perspective. You can see here the status in both the web portal and the mobile app. After the client has sent all the documentation, the status has changed from Waiting for Client to In Progress. You can also notice that the name of the job is different for you in the portal and for the client.